Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Camry hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the lower left dash or kick panel. You'll recognize it by a small icon resembling a car with its hood open. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of the vehicle, indicating the first latch has released. After pulling the interior lever, walk to the front of your Camry. The hood will now be slightly ajar, lifted by about 1 or 2 inches. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, directly under the center of the hood's front edge. You'll feel a small secondary safety latch. This is a crucial safety feature. Gently push this lever or tab to the side, typically towards the driver's or passenger's side, to fully disengage the hood. Once the safety latch is disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. It will swing upwards smoothly. Look for the hood prop rod, which is usually clipped securely to the underside of the hood itself, or sometimes along the side of the engine bay. Carefully unclip this rod. Then, firmly insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot within the engine bay. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work. When you're finished, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and reclip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 to 18 inches, or roughly 30 to 45 centimeters, above the closed position. Do not press down on the hood. Simply let it drop the rest of the way. This allows gravity to engage both the primary and secondary latches securely, ensuring your hood is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.